Mary wants to know, would you ever go back into soaping or selling soap supplies? Oh, I actually thought about it the other day. But the problem is I want to do my soap so bad. As a matter of fact, that's why I bought my soap table that's $1,000 when it was $25. I was like, okay, I don't know if I'm doing soap or not, but I'm getting this thing for $25 in case I do. Because if I don't, I can just turn around and resell it. But I don't know. My son's friend was here the other day, and she wanted to make some bath salts, and I had some goat milk cream left, and she wanted some goat milk cream. So we sat at the table, and she picked out all the fragrances, and I was like, oh, man, I really miss making this stuff.
I miss her making it. Oh, I smell so good after the bath salts she made the other day. They're really nice.
So I'd really like to do it, but first of all, I'd have to hire someone to manage all the packing and shipping, but I don't know. I'll have to see.